the people behind the product. Autodesk is an undeniable leader in the design space, and its global workforce echoes that. So, whether I'm engaging other sales professionals in the sales org or marketing or our technical specialists, or people in HR, I'm constantly being blown away by just the level of intelligence here. Over the last 6 months, I have had the opportunity to heavily engage the ERGs at Autodesk, which are employee resource groups. I'm currently a part of the Pride Network as well as the Autodesk Black Network. And through those, I've taken part of a handful of events. Through the Pride Network, I spoke at the Global Pride panel, talking about how Autodesk's commitment to diversity and inclusion played a huge role into why I accepted the job offer. Really great opportunity to speak during Pride Month too, and just get to know other people in the community within Autodesk. I work within the AEC side of the business, or architecture, engineering, and construction. And the solutions that we're selling are important because it's primarily all about our built environment, which we all rely on every day and interact with intimately. So from a tech standpoint, think about just the design software used for concepts to floor plans, 3D modeling, and all the data in between that's collected that help make the whole process happen smoothly.